Welcome back to our digital electronics class, and like I promised, in this is the 15th series of this video, and we want to handle this question B. You can watch the 14th series where we did question 1A and I and II. Here we are looking at B. Perform the binary arithmetic using 2's complement. When you look at this type of arithmetic, you can see that the arithmetic is that we are going to subtract, we are subtracting a smaller number from a bigger number. We are subtracting 1, 0, 0, 0. We are subtracting this from 1, 1, 0, 1. Both of them are binary numbers, and I'll be showing you how you can handle this type of question using 1's and 2 complement, because the question is asking that we perform arithmetic using 2's complement. Let's see how that goes. So the question is telling us to subtract. Let's take a pen. It's telling us to subtract this number 1000, which is a binary number. We want to subtract this from 1100. This is also a binary number using 1's and 2 complement. Using 2 complement, that's exactly what the question says. There are things I need to emphasize when it comes to doing arithmetic subtraction. We need to pay attention to this step. The first thing you need to do is that you need to take the 2's complement for the subtrahend. Here in this case, the subtrahend, we have this in this case is our M and this is our S. M is nothing but the mean cent, or the one that is being used to subtract from. This is the subtrahend. So you take the second complement for the subtrahend, and then you add it to the one you have been subtracted from, which is the mean cent. Now the third one is that you need to carry. If carry is not generated along the way, if carry is not generated, say the result is said to be negative. If carry is not generated, then the result is said to be negative, and in 2's complement form. Then you take the 2's complement of the result to get the actual result. It sounds weird when you try to explain it in English. Mathematics, sometimes you don't need to speak a lot of English. So let's see what we are supposed to do here. This thing, if you know the coding system, by now you should know that whatever you have here, this is 1000 is nothing but 8 in the coding system, and 1100 is nothing but 12 in the coding system. You can confirm that by using 8421. Let's use 8421. In this case, 8421. What is 8 in this case? 8 is nothing but 1. The remaining will be 000. So this is 8421. In this one, we have 1000 is simply 8. So here, and we know 12 also is 8 plus 4 will give you 12. So in this case, that will be 1100. This is the code that you need to have in your head. So now it is like saying 8 minus 12. So the answer you will get here is supposed to be negative 4. And that's why I'm saying that you must take the 2's complement of the result to get the actual value. But remember, if carry is not generated, then the result is said to be negative. So now let's see what we are supposed to do. First of all, we need to take the 2's complement, and for us to take the 2's complement, we must take the 1's complement. But we are taking the 1's complement in the subtrahend, and the subtrahend here is 1 1. The subtrahend here is 1100. 0, 0. So we want to first of all take 1's complement, because for you to take 2's complement, you must take 1's complement. So what is 1's complement? 1's complement simply means where there is 1 you put 0, 0, 1, 1, and where there is 0 you put 1. So this is 1's complement for this coded system. Now the 2's complement is you add 1 to this. Now this is 2's complement. You want to add 1. 1 plus 1 here will give us 0 carry 1. This is 0 carry 1. Then the 1 you carry, let's use a different color. This 1 plus 1 is 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 is also going to be 0 carry 1. Then the 1 we carry, we add it here. This will give us 1, and then we have 0. So here you are going to have 0, 1, 0, 0. It is 0, 1, 0, 0. Now you will add this with the original equation, which is the missent. That one you add is, we are adding 1, which is the one we are subtracting from, 1, 0, 0, 0. Add them together. 0 plus 0 will give you 0, 0. This will give you 1, 1. This is what you have. 1, 1, 0, 0. So now there is no carry here. We simply have 1, 1, 0, 0. Since we have 1, 1, 0, 0 here, we need to also find the 2's complement. We want to find again the 2's complement. To find the 2 complement of this 1, 1, we are having 1, 1, 0, 0, and we want to find again the 2's complement. Of course, if you observe here, this is 1, 1, 0, 0, and we found the first complement. This is what we get, 0, 0, 1, 1 plus 1. The 2's complement is nothing but 0, 1, 0, 0. So since we are getting the same thing, it means even if you find again the 2's complement, you will still get the same thing. So you come back here. What we have here now is 0, 1, 0, 0. So the 2's complement of this number is nothing but 0, 1, 0, 0. Since it is 0, 1, 0, 0, remember we said if there is no carry, then we introduce negative. If there is no carry, you introduce negative. Now let us interpret this number that we get in the coding system. What is 0, 1, 0, 0? What is 0, 1, 0, 0? Look at what we have here in the coding system. We are using 8421. 8421. For 0, it is simply 0, 0, 0, 0. For 1, it is simply 0, 0, 0, 1. For 2, it is simply 0, 0, 1, 0. For 3, it is simply 0, 0, 1, 1. And for 4, it is 0, 1, 0, 0. So this is what we have. And I told you what is 8 minus 12? It is negative 4. What is 0, 1, 0, 0? It is 4. Look at it here. It is this is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, which is 4. So this exactly gives you negative 4, which is equal to what we have here. So this number, if you subtract together 1, 0, 0, 0, 2 minus 1, 1, 0, 0, which is a binary number, will give us 0, 1, but introduce negative 0, 1, 0, 0, and this is what you will get in as your final answer. And this is how you can do arithmetic subtraction using 2's complement. But for you to find a 2 complement, you must find 1's complement before 2's complement.